Hey guys, this is Andrew Keen from KeenOnTheMarket.com. This is your S&P oil and euro update for April 27th, 2012. I'm going to do a new thing where I'm going to pull up the weeklies on all these charts afterwards. But let's start with the S&P and let's talk about the daily. We have a spinning top candle right here. We got over this 1400 level. We closed under the 1400 level, which is very critical. And I talked about this bull channel we were in for all of 2012. We broke out of it. Corrections usually last 3 to 4 weeks. Are we correcting? Are we going up? I'm not sure. I think we're stuck 1335, maybe even say 1352 to 1420 for a while. The sell-in may and go away. We might be having this run up into the end of the quarter. End of the month, not the quarter. And let's look at the weekly, and we can look at the monthly. So in the weekly, overlapping bars. Strong week though. Let's go look at the monthly. Monthly. One could make a case for a double top, but a huge tail on the bottom means buying pressure. The buying pressure might have come as the month closes. Now let's go to the 5-minute. Open up this morning. The high this morning was 1401. We opened it up at 1475. GDP was in line, a little bit weaker, but then when we have weak GDP, people say, oh, QE3. So it's like a bad but a good. So we sold off this morning, got down to 1393. Then we rallied back all this afternoon. A lot of overlapping bars. High of the day. 1402.75, 10-point range. Now, let's go to the next one. We're going to start looking at oil. And we'll start at oil in the daily. Another strong day in oil. Whoa. So oil, another strong day. Pushing against this 105 level. I think this 105 could get toppy here. Another level up here is around this 106 level. So I think we were stuck in a range for a while. We did see some pressure up to this 105, but then we saw some sellers come in. So this might be an important level. Now let's look at the weekly. Weekly. 3 marching soldiers. 3 little soldiers. 3 bull candles in a row after 3 bear candles on the weekly. So maybe a little buying pressure into the end of the month. Let's look at the monthly. One could make a case for a inside month. We did take out the low of last month, and I think we could get lower to this 100 level, but I have not taken an oil position. Let's go to the 5-minute chart. So on every Friday, I'm going to start doing this for you guys. I'm going to go over weekly, monthly, daily in all these. And we opened up this morning at 104.47. Saw some selling pressure down this 104 level. We actually traded under this 104 level in the Globex session when the euro was off as well. Overlapping bars, we took a breakout of the cloud, through the cloud. I should have taken a long at 104.47. I did not take it. It would have got me up to 105, and I would have just taken it off at the end of the day. I was not going to want to play oil. I thought today was a trading range day. There are two kinds of days, a trending day and a trading range day. One more I want to look at is the euro. So we're going to look at the euro. We're going to start with the daily. A little bit of momentum. One can make a case for either trading range, or you can make a case for a little bit of a bull candle. Higher highs, higher lows. Touch up to this key level. Resistance becomes support in the daily. Let's look at the weekly in the euro. Inside bar. Took out the high of last week and the week before. And let's look at the monthly. Inside month. This 130 level is important to the downside. This is 3 straight months. We touched this 130 level and got a bounce. How much higher can the euro go? I don't think it gets past this 134, but we could go higher. Let's look at the 5-minute, and we'll call it a weekend. Euro got down to 131.84 today. We opened up at 132.56. I am short the euro. I've been shorted for a while. I did take off a third of my position in the Globex session after the Spain debt got downgraded. It traded down to 131.84. So we opened up at 132.56. We got some buying pressure up to this 132.70. I think 134 is the line in the sand to the upside, maybe 134.50. End of the day, we sold off actually pretty hard. Look at all these bear bars on the 5-minute and close on the low of the day, 132.40. This is Andrew Keene from KeenOnTheMarket.com. Remember, if you want a free demo to the live trading room, we do currency pairs, Forex, futures, equities, and equity options. You have to email sales@KeenOnTheMarket.com. And have a great weekend, guys.